this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. Good morning, everybody. It's a very nice morning and the sky is clear today. We're going to the park and we'll show you some of the sights here in Shizouka, but we cannot go to the tea farm because it's today. I think it's a holiday. It's like a Sunday route and they only have one bus going into the Utogi, and I think if we go there we cannot come back tonight, so we're planning to walk around the city only. Come on, let's go. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos, and please don't forget to click on the notification bell. And I'd like to thank all my subscribers for watching my videos. Thank you, and those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you. Let's go. Hotel for 2 nights, and we checked in earlier, but we still don't have room. Oh, there's illumination. Where's that? Where's that? We're checking in again today, tonight, getting our rooms. Are these fresh grass? No, they're not. We're going to the elevator. Wow.
Gym ba siya?
Dapat. Yung gym. Slot machine. I know. Na naman. 6 kuya. Yes, for the first time. Yes, this is okay. This is our room. Yeah, my husband put on the keys now, and here, and there's that one. And the slippers, and there's a TV. I think I'm gonna turn on the aircon. Oh no. Yes. Oh no. You cannot. Yes. And then there are 2 beds. I don't have light. We have twin beds. This is, and we have 2 sofa and a TV and a humidifier. Yes. And underneath the TV is the safe. Oh, first time to see the safe. And there's a coffee machine. No. Just yeah. And what's in here? Oh, it's the ref. And usually nothing inside. It's a nice hotel. And there's a window. Let's look outside. It's night time. Oh, it's the railway station. Oh, in front is the Hotel Century. And that's the bathtub. That's me. And that's about it. There's plancha. And that's the cabinet. When you move the mirror, it's the buffet of our hotel today. Cute. So cute. Uy, juice. Milk. Bacon. Sausage and egg. Bread. Oh, there's a real hotel. Huh? Put the bread, put the water, put 1 cup. Ano? Toast.
So, yung sardines ko. Pero,
Yang sardines siya.
nabuhay talaga yung sardines.
Yang sardines ito, sige. Thanks for watching till the end. Thanks to all my subscribers for watching my video. And please click the thumbs up sign if you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe. And click the notification bell. See you next time. Bye!